Okay, guys, real quick on how to do the extra credit, because I'm sure you're asking. It's down to 4 questions, by the way. Let your parents know it's just 4. So here's how we do this. I will send you the system. You have to ask me for the system for these to be done. You may not use my system that is here. I will send you 4 new questions for you to solve. So remember, on Google Classroom, it says, let me go, check it out. It says, boom, email me to receive 5. This should be 4 questions. Create a video that demonstrates and explains your teaching. This is what I'm about to do. And you must show you writing and verbalizing. That's exactly what I'm going to do, the instructions. So you're making a Miss Starling video in short. It's due Monday by 8 a.m. This is actually going to come down in a minute because after Friday, I'm not emailing y'all back and forth questions. Okay, y'all got till, let's say, 8 p.m. tonight. So let me go to Desmos. Okay, so in order to solve for y here, this is me doing a teaching. This is what I expect you guys to do. You must subtract x from both sides. Do not forget to write the x term there, y'all. If you don't write the x term, you could risk losing points and not getting your full extra credit. Then you bring down y equals negative x plus 8. I have solved for y. Now over here, you must subtract x from both sides. Then bring down negative y equals negative x plus 4. I have a negative y here, so I must divide everything by negative 1 because he's invisible. Negative 1, negative 1. This now becomes y equals, these negatives cancel out, x, and then 4 divided by negative 1. If I don't know what that is, I go to Desmos. 4 divide negative 1, it's negative 4. So I need to put minus 4. Here's my first equation. Here's my second. Now I'm going to Desmos to graph these to find the solution. Y equals negative x plus 8. And y equals x minus 4. So then I look at where they intersect on Desmos, which is right here. My intersection is 6, 2. There's my answer. I have my 2 y equals mx plus b's and a point of intersection. Let's do the next one here. This is 3x plus 2y equals 14. Subtract 3x from both sides. 2y equals negative 3x plus 14. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Y equals, this is negative 3 halves. 3 halves x plus 14 divided by 2 is 7. Over here, I'm done with this y equals minus 3x minus 3x. Bring down your negative 2y. That negative has to come down or it's going to be all the way wrong. And negative 3x plus 10. Then divide everything over here by a negative 2. Y equals, these negatives cancel out. 3 halves x. 10 divided by negative 2 is a negative 5. There's my other equation. Now I need to see where they intersect. Go to Desmos. Y equals negative 3 halves x plus 7. And y equals 3 halves x. I probably should have done that the other way around, minus 5. And then I look and see where they intersect. They intersect at 4, 1. So I'm going to write my solution to this system over there. It's 4, 1. All right, the next one. Subtract 4x from both sides. Oh, this is my solution over here, by the way. 4, 1. X is 4, y is 1. Bring down a 3y equals negative 4x plus 11. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Notice I do not put a y down here at the bottom. If you put a y down here, which you're dividing by on any of these, it's going to be wrong. Y equals negative 4/3 x minus 11/3. Done with that y equals. Subtract 4x, subtract 4x, divided by, or I'm sorry, not divide. Next part. negative y equals negative 4x plus 7. Wherever there is a negative y, I need to change everybody's sign. So in order for me to change my sign, I'm going to divide by negative 1, or I can simply make everything the opposite sign. So this becomes positive y, this becomes positive 4x, and this becomes minus 7. Change, change, change. Everybody's sign just changed. That's dividing by negative 1. You are allowed to do that too, but you have to know what the rule is. Divide by negative 1 means to change everybody's sign to the opposite of what they are. That's my other y equals mx plus b. Graph them. Y equals negative 4/3 x minus 11/3. Y equals 4x minus 7. Did I write that correctly? Hold, please. I see where I made my mistake. I made this a negative, and it should be positive. Now let's change that to a positive 11/3, and if you find that you make a mistake and you don't see a friendly point where they cross, it is okay to fix it. Here, now I've got 2, 1 as my solution. 2, 1. Those decimals were not going to work out. So make sure that all of your 3's that you're dividing by are positive, not that little negative one that I just threw in there. And then my answer is 2, 1. Okay, lastly, this is the word problem part. It says the sum of two numbers is 60. That means x plus y is 60. And then it says the difference of the numbers is 12. So x minus y equals 12. So I have to create my system here, then go and solve for y. This is easy. Minus x minus x. Y equals negative x plus 60. Then over here, how about I do minus x minus x. Negative y equals negative x plus 12. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. Or just change everybody's sign. And this becomes positive y, positive x, negative 12. Y equals negative x plus 60, and y equals x minus 12. Y equals negative x plus 60, and y equals x minus 12. I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit to see where they cross. 36 and 24 is my answer. Now, if ever you get some that are too far apart and you can't see where they intersect, you can always change this to put your negative x plus 60 equal to x minus 12, and then solve for x and then plug it in if you're feeling extra. All right, that's all you have to do for your video, y'all. Good luck. Mine is about 8 minutes. If you need help or a suggestion on which device to use, it's going to be kind of hard because you need a webcam as well. You've got to show your face. You've got to show your hands. It has to be in real time in order for this to count. If you need help on using a recorder, I use ScreenPal. I think it's my ScreenPal. It used to be called Screencast-O-Matic. But, oops, TIC. But now I think it's called My ScreenPal to record yourself making your video. Good luck. Have a great weekend. I wish you all the best.